Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious butter vanilla cake. First, ensure all your ingredients, like 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of unsalted butter, are at room temperature. This helps create a smooth, emulsified batter. Sifting your dry ingredients, including 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, prevents any lumps. Also, properly prepare your 2 8-inch round cake pans by greasing and flouring them thoroughly. This crucial preparation step ensures your cake releases perfectly every time. Now, let's create that wonderful batter. Begin by creaming 1 cup of unsalted butter with 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Then, incorporate 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition to ensure full emulsification. Next, alternate adding your sifted dry ingredients with 1 cup of whole milk, beginning and ending with the dry. Mix only until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cake. It's time to bake your beautiful cake. Divide the batter evenly between your 2 prepared 8-inch cake pans. Place them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 28 to 32 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This indicates your cake is perfectly cooked through. Once baked, let the cakes cool in their pans on a wire rack for about 10 to 15 minutes before attempting to remove them. Almost there. After the initial cooling, carefully invert your cakes onto a wire rack to cool completely. This usually takes about 1 hour. While they cool, you can prepare your favorite buttercream frosting. Once the cakes are entirely cool, it's time for the fun part, frosting. Apply a generous layer of frosting between the 2 cake layers, then cover the top and sides evenly. For an extra touch, garnish with colorful sprinkles or fresh berries. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.